How to run payroll on Square. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run payroll on Square. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Square, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Square, it is a financial technology platform designed to help businesses manage payments and daily operations in a simple, integrated way. It provides the tools that allows users to accept payments both in person and online, including credit cards, mobile wallets, and contactless transactions. And beyond payment processing, Square also offers a full suite of business solutions such as point of sales, software, invoicing, inventory tracking, customer management, and analytics, all accessible through a centralized dashboard. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description where you can start signing in or sign up your account. After signing in, you will be directed in here on the homepage of Square Up. On the left side panel, we have here a variety of options such as the home, item and services, payments and invoices, online, customers reports, staff, banking, settings, and many more. But since you're trying to run a payroll, just click the stop option, and in here it will show you some of the needed information about managing staff, and that includes the payroll. You should be able to see or track the net sales, the gross sales, labor or percentage of net sales, and many more. And you can even take a payment, send invoice, add item, and even pay the bills. But now by clicking the payroll option, this one is designed to help businesses manage employee compensation in a simple, automated, and compliant way. It basically allows employers to pay staff, whether full-time employees or contractors, by simply calculating wages, taxes, and deductions automatically. And this reduces manual work and minimizes errors in salary processing. And also a key purpose of Square Payroll is tax management. It is automatically handles payroll tax filings and payments at the federal, state, and local levels, helping businesses to stay compliant with regulations. So now this is basically how you can start navigating the payroll option. By clicking on it, it will show you in here some of the features that also offer. And to start using this, just click the Start Free Trial button. Upon doing so, you will automatically be directed on a page where all you need to do is simply fill out the required information, and that includes your legal, business, or taxpayer name, and what kind of business you're doing, and even the business type in here. And also additional information about the payroll is that it also integrates the features seamlessly with Square point of sale and time tracking tools, meaning an employee hours can be directly converted into wages without needing to separate systems. And this also improves accuracy and efficiency, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. So now after filling out the required information, just click the continue button right here. Then the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter the address, including the apartment number, the city, the state, and even the zip code. Once done, just click the continue button once more. And then it will ask you, how many people are you and your team? So I'm just going to select here this 1 to 5 paid team members. Then it will ask you more. This question, what type of workers are you planning to pay? I'm going to sure I'm not sure yet, but you could click either employees, contractors, and many more. Then select your answer to this question, how do you currently pay your team? So basically all of these are needed upon managing your payroll. It will ask you what is your first desired pay date with Square Payroll. So you can simply select here your preferred date. Once done, just click continue button once again, and it will ask you to enter your contact details such as your mobile phone number, or you could even enter your business phone number if you want to. Then you will receive a text messages, reminders, so you never miss a pay run. Once done, it will ask you to get started with a 30-day free trial if you want to subscribe. All you need to do is click the try free for 30 days. Since you will not be able to use this proper payroll if you don't have a subscription to any plan that they offer. And for that, I'm just going to simply subscribe to the payroll plan in order to start using the payroll feature. Again, just fill out the required information in here. Since you already fill out some of this, I'm just going to simply click the continue button once more until you will be directed on the page where you can now start paying or entering here the payment details upon purchasing the plan that they offer. But there's also a variety of plan you can choose from, but I'm just going to choose here the 30 days free trial as an example, in which you can even unsubscribe or cancel your plan anytime before the end 30-day free trial by clicking the button on the top right corner the next thing that we need to do is to click the subscribe button. But make sure to also read some of the terms and conditions before purchasing this Square Payroll, since this payroll feature integrates seamlessly with Square point of sale and time tracking tools, meaning employee hours can be directly converted into wages without needing a separate system. So from here, to start using this, you can click this run payroll to start with or to set up with, and all we need to do is to simply choose to fill out the required information, and that also includes to enter the company details, add the tax info, verify authorized signer, link the bank account, the payroll info in here to add a payroll for your team, set up your pay schedule, and even explore some of the benefits to streamline our retirement and health benefits with their integrated partners. So that's basically the first thing that you need to do, and after that you could also go to the team members to add some of your team, and that also includes adding a team member by clicking the top right corner button, or you could even export from your file such as on Excel and many more. Upon adding manually, you can simply enter here their name, last name, phone number, their email address, and even their team member ID. Once done, you should be able to see that the members has now been added upon filling out the required information as well. Moving on to this permission section, this feature is used to control who can access and manage different payroll functions within a business. So you can simply manage and hear all of their access of the member. And aside from that, under onboarding section, from here it will show you how you can start getting the free trial to simplify the process of bringing new employees or contractors into the system. And now under the payroll, by clicking on it, you can start clicking run payroll to start with, in which it is used to actually process and distribute employee wages. The main purpose is to calculate and finalize payments based on employee hours, salaries, and deduction, then send those payments to employees. But again, you also need to make sure to set up those needed information before start running the payroll. You could also navigate the pay schedule and navigate how frequent you want for paying or payment for your employees. And you can even choose deadline in here if you want to. Moving on, you could also navigate here this bank account, or you can add your business bank account in here depending on your preferences as well. Now under benefits, you could also get started of adding the health insurance, the workers' compensation, retirement, background checks, and many more. Just fill out the required information as needed in here. You can even navigate the tax forms in here for federal, state, W-2s, 1099s, and many more. Now aside from that, under the settings section, from here you can even navigate some other options including the payroll notification, is paid time off, sick leave, and many more. So basically, the main purpose of payroll in here is simply the process of managing and distributing employee compensation, and its main purpose is to ensure that workers are paid accurately and on time for their work. In systems like Square Payroll, this process is automated to make it faster and more reliable. And overall, that is just how you can run payroll on Square. Thank you.